Did you know your kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood every single day? But what happens when they get overwhelmed by toxins, salt, or stress? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you will discover the simple daily habits and healing foods that can cleanse, protect, and even rejuvenate your kidneys. Most people don't think about their kidneys until they stop working. But your kidneys are essential to your survival. They filter toxins, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and even support red blood cell production. Unfortunately, many modern foods, from salty snacks to sugary drinks, are silently damaging them. But here's the hopeful part. Your kidneys have a built-in ability to heal on its own. All they need is a little help from you. Let me show you how. Don't forget to practice these daily habits and also include these foods in your meals. Just a small amount can help protect your kidneys and keep them healthy. 1. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that protects against kidney inflammation and damage. Just 15 grapes a day or 1 glass of grape juice can make a difference. 2. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. They're loaded with antioxidants that help reduce kidney stress. Blueberries are especially powerful in fighting free radicals. 3. Lemons and citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and citric acid. They help dissolve kidney stones and support detox. Start your day with warm lemon water to jumpstart kidney function. 4. Apples. Packed with fiber and pectin, apples help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol, 2 things that directly impact kidney health. 5. Garlic and onions. Garlic and onions aren't just flavor boosters, they're natural anti-inflammatories. Studies show they help lower the risk of kidney disease and protect against hypertension. 6. Fermented foods. Your gut and kidneys are connected. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut keep your gut flora balanced, indirectly supporting kidney function. 7. Extra virgin olive oil. This healthy fat contains oleic acid, which reduces inflammation and helps regulate blood pressure, both crucial for kidney protection. 8. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, sardines, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and support kidney and heart health. 9. Water. This one is simple: hydrate. Water helps your kidneys flush out waste and prevent stones. Aim for light yellow urine throughout the day. 10. Hydration. Drink before you feel thirsty, especially in hot or humid weather. Dehydration makes it harder for your kidneys to filter toxins. 11. Exercise. Move your body. Walking, dancing, cycling. It boosts blood flow and lowers blood pressure. 12. Watch your weight. Too much belly fat increases your risk of diabetes and high blood pressure, 2 major causes of kidney damage. 13. Eat more fiber. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, keeps you full, and reduces stress on your kidneys. Choose whole fruits, veggies, and grains. 14. Sleep well. Lack of sleep raises stress hormones, which can damage your kidneys. Aim for at least 7 hours each night. 15. Manage stress. High cortisol levels harm kidney health. Practice breathing, gratitude, or quiet moments daily. Your kidneys are small, but mighty. They do so much for your body, often without thanks. So take care of them. Drink your water, eat healing foods, move your body, sleep, and breathe. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it needs to be consistent. Comment below, what's one habit you're going to start today for your kidneys? Like this video to support our mission. Subscribe to the Longevity Table for more health and longevity secrets. And stay tuned. Our next video, we will reveal the 7 healthy vegetables that might be slowly damaging your kidneys. Doctors warn: number 4. See you soon.